Traders, we got a fresh new week ahead of us. Markets are up. Let's take a look at the SPY here. We're up 0.18% from last Friday's close. If you look at last Friday's session, boom, 300. We had gapped up over 300 pre-market, and then we opened and we just stuck around 300 for a little bit and rallied to close almost at 301. We look at the daily here. Look at this thing. Picture of power. June was great, just climbed higher. July is just as good, consecutive climb higher. We're over 300, now we're at 301. But we have no volume in the markets. The markets volume is extremely low. Everybody's on vacation, everybody is just taking some time off. We got a lot of algorithmic machines running the markets right now. Let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. We got GLPG up over 18%. Over 200,000 traded pre-market, that's in play. City, this stock is up over 1%. Over 600,000 traded pre-market, that's in play this morning. SYMC up almost 2%. Almost 200,000 traded pre-market, that stock's in play. TSLA, wow, this thing made a nice recovery this past month. We're up almost a point and a half pre-market. Over 100,000 traded pre-market, that stock's in play. We also stream our morning movers every weekday morning around 8:30 alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, VXX. If you're interested, you can check that out every weekday morning around 8:30. So let's get to it. TSLA, we're going to take this for a long ride here at the bid. We can get hit. All right, we got 100. We're full in at 246.75. Day looks great for a long. If you look at the daily here, this thing has just been uptrending nicely here past month and a half or so. Intraday it gaps up and then it just drops. But now it looks ready to climb back up to the top. So we're going to see if we can at least get it up to 247.25. And stop loss will be below 246.25. But we'll trade it accordingly. The market's down a little bit, so we'll see. You know what? The market looks like it's going to drop here. It's looking a little weak here, so we're going to come out of this. We're going to come out of this right here. I'm going to try to take this at the ask here, if we can get hit. All right, we're out. We're out of NVDA for close to 30-cent winner on it. The market's looking like it's very weak, so I'm thinking I better get out before this thing turns around and drops. I'll take that. Close to 30 cents. Traders, we're back. We had left for a little bit. Took one trade on TSLA early this morning, but then we had to leave. But we're back for the afternoon session here, and the markets are dead. Dead. But we're looking at this NVDA here, and we're going to take this at the bid here for a long if we can get in. Buy this dip, pick it up on the bid here. I think this thing has dropped enough. It's uptrending pretty strong, so I think this is a good dip buy here. Markets are climbing. Just need to get in at the bid here. All right, we're in. We're in NVDA at 166.40. Daily looks good. Been uptrending the past few sessions really hard. We went right back up to the top here after this big drop here. So I think this sucker wants to climb a little bit higher. The only problem is this stock has a lot of baggage. Look at that. You know, look at all that baggage. But it has been uptrending. It's a big stock and it can easily go right back up to 300. Intraday, it opens and it gaps up and then it sells off. Sells off right into this chop area here for a little bit for the afternoon, and then it dropped some more. Now I think it's dropped enough, and I think there's going to be a dip bought over here because if you can see over here, the market's starting to climb for the afternoon session. More than likely, this dip here is going to get bought, but the markets are slow. Volume is down big time. So we're probably going to ride this one for a bit. Stop loss on this will be below 166. 175. And target on this one, I like it over 167 if possible. It's an afternoon trade, so I'm not really too comfortable trading the afternoon because it's really slow. NVDA, it's looking good here. Consolidated down here for a little while. Probably a lot of shorts accumulated here. And when it didn't drop, those shorts had to cover. If you look at the market here, look at the market. As soon as 130 came around, boom, started waking up a little bit. So I think we could probably ride this up to 167, I'm thinking. Unless the market turns drastically, but it looks good. I was actually thinking about if it dropped a little bit more, I was going to pick up another 150, but it never dropped. So I like to at least try to get it up to 167. But if I see the market getting weak here, I'm just going to come out of this. NVDA, I'm going to take this right here if I can. All right, we're out. We're out for about, what is that, about 36 cents. We look at the SPY here, it's starting to put in a big red candle here, so it's just really slow. Really slow. I think that's gonna do it for me today. Yeah, I don't see anything here. The market's climbing, but it's not. Yeah, the market's been really slow and hard to trade. Hard to trade, because it doesn't want to move, and when it does, it doesn't have that regular motion it does during a regular market session. To me, anyway. So it's hard. But that's gonna be it for us today. We took one trade in the morning, and then we took another trade in the afternoon. Very slow afternoon, so we're just going to keep it green here. We're up 91. Let's take a look at the trades. Just 2 trades, 2 winning trades, small winners. Our biggest winner on NVDA. Thanks for watching.